Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to launch your Audi Q7 using its built-in launch control feature. This method allows for maximum acceleration from a complete stop, providing an exhilarating driving experience. First, ensure your engine has reached its optimal operating temperature, typically after driving for at least 10 to 15 minutes. This protects the engine and ensures peak performance. Next, let's prepare your Audi Q7 for the launch. Navigate to your drive select system and choose the dynamic mode. This sharpens throttle response and stiffens the suspension. Then, pull the gear selector back once to engage sport mode, which you will see displayed as an S on your dashboard. Finally, ensure your steering wheel is perfectly straight. Now, to engage launch control, firmly press the brake pedal all the way down with your left foot. Simultaneously, fully depress the accelerator pedal to the floor with your right foot. Hold both pedals down. You should see a message on your instrument cluster, typically saying Launch Control Active or a similar indication. This confirms the system is ready. With launch control active, the final step is to release the brake pedal quickly and smoothly. Do not lift your foot from the accelerator. Keep it fully depressed. The vehicle will then launch with maximum power, managing wheel spin for optimal traction. Enjoy the incredible acceleration and the controlled, powerful takeoff of your Audi Q7.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.